Hey guys, Junger here. Got some thoughts for you today. I want to talk about web hosting. We often get the question from our partners, should I move to a new web host? Who do you recommend for web hosting? What do I really need in a web host? So here's how we approach web hosting. First off, you get what you pay for. Now that doesn't mean that you have to pay hundreds of dollars per month for web hosting, but if you're looking at cheap web hosting, it's called cheap for a reason, okay? If you are looking to spend, $2 a month, $5 a month, even $9.99 per month, that is cheap web hosting, okay? When you have cheap web hosting, you're gonna have issues with uptime, you're gonna have issues with performance, and probably most importantly, you're gonna have issues with customer service. Eventually, you're going to have to deal with the customer service at the hosting company, and if you're dealing with folks who can't understand your problem or aren't able to effectively communicate the solution to whatever your issue is, that's going to be more frustrating than that $7 or $10 a month that you think you're saving in the cost. So what we recommend for web hosting are two providers. One is WP Engine. WP Engine is a managed WordPress hosting provider. They do a great job of just hosting WordPress websites. Their interface is great. Their customer service is awesome. They've gotten built-in backups and staging and development sites that you can work off of. We really recommend them for most websites where you are okay using what's called a shared server, where there are other sites on the server and you don't necessarily have to worry about having a dedicated server just for you. If you are interested in a dedicated server, we recommend Media Temple as the company that we feel comfortable recommending. We have a box, a server with Media Temple that we use for our site and that we use for other work when we're developing websites. We've always been very impressed with them and their customer service and their performance and their uptime. One thing to know about web hosting is that you should be controlling the relationship with your web host. When we manage a client's website, we always say, hey, if you want us to help with your web hosting, you own that relationship, you as the client. We are there as your technical support to help you with everything. We can speak on your behalf. We can deal with any issues that come up. We've got access to everything. But really, you as the client, you own that relationship. We are just the technical support on that. So that's our thoughts on web hosting. You get what you pay for. If you're okay with most kind of WordPress hosting, then WP Engine is the place to go. And if you are looking for a dedicated box, then Media Temple will treat you well. See ya.